Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today I will show you a very healthy and tasty side dish either for rice or chapathi. We are going to make a Hariyali dal. Hariyali means we are using lot of green leafy vegetables in it. Enjoy this absolutely delicious Hariyali dal with the goodness of Palak, Methi and Coriander leaves along with steaming hot rice and a little bit of ghee on top. Have it for lunch and dinner. Today I got this Palak, Methi and some dhania, that is coriander leaves. So I was thinking what to make. Come, let's make an interesting Palak, Methi and dhania dal. Very healthy. For making this dal, I have soaked 1 cup of tubar dal and 1 tablespoon of yellow moong dal. It has been soaking for half an hour now. Now take in about 4 cups of water in your pressure cooker. When the water starts boiling, add in this soaked dals to it. Add a pinch of haldi powder. When it begins to boil once again, we will pressure cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. Here I have cleaned, washed and chopped 1 cup of palak, 1 cup of methi and half a cup of dhania or coriander leaves. A little bit less or more is fine, there is no problem. Now we will make a paste, that is we will crush together 3 green chillis, a small piece of ginger and 1 clove of garlic. If you want to avoid the garlic, you avoid. If you want to add a little more of garlic, you can do that also. We will just crush everything together. The pressure has released. Now let's open the cooker and have a look. See, our dal has been cooked very well. I will just whisk it a little bit and mash it thoroughly. Next, heat a pan, add some ghee to it. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. When the jeera is well roasted, add in half a cup of chopped onion. Saute the onions in the ghee for about 2 minutes. See, when the onions become translucent like this, now we will add our cleaned and chopped leaves, that is the methi leaves, palak leaves and coriander leaves. This is Amchur or dry mango powder. I am adding half a teaspoon. We will add some chilli powder, a little bit of hing and this crushed green chilli, ginger and garlic to it. Add salt. Now saute everything together for a few minutes. Greens don't take much time, they will get cooked very fast. See, now the greens are all well cooked. When you added, it seemed as if I was adding a very large quantity, but just within 5 minutes, see how it all reduces. Now we will add in our cooked and mashed dal to this. Give it a good mix and allow it all to come to a boil once again over a low to medium flame. Our dal has been simmering well now on a low flame and it is very well done with the goodness of ghee and jeera, palak, methi, coriander, all good for summer, good for people of all ages. So our Hariyali dal is done and ready. We can switch it off, serve it hot with some steaming hot rice. Now we are ready to serve our steaming hot rice with this absolutely healthy and tasty Hariyali dal. and some ghee on top. This is simply divine, simple, home style taste. Palak, methi, dhania, all are powerhouses of nutrients. So try to include it in your everyday meal and eat healthy. You can have this palak, methi, dhania dal either with rice or with chapati. Have it for lunch or dinner and treat your family every day to healthy, nutritious meals. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.